Hey y'all, John here, JVan84. So I just noticed that I got tagged by Rick over at Tack Hill for the E.D.C dump. Well, I just got home from work, and so it is a work day, so I don't have that much E.D.C stuff on me, but let's take a look at what I do have. I'll basically just strip it down from head to toe. Of course, everybody knows I've always got the hat. It's always there. Next thing I guess would be my neck. Currently for a neck knife I've been carrying my knife made for me by Ted Hilden. Alright, and then coming on down, do have a couple paracord bracelets. Oops, sorry about the camera work, guys. So this one is a whole survival bracelet. I believe on the inside of that there is 2 fishing hooks, some fishing line, weights, 2 floats, 2 swivels. There's a flint rod on the end of it and a striker. There's a alcohol pad inside, a little bit of tinder, some safety pins, and a total of 12 foot of paracord. And those are made by Outdoor Survival Equipment if anybody's interested. You can also pick them up at ravencresttactical.com. The other paracord bracelet that I have is just a simple one that was given to me by my daughter Priscilla. I wear that daily. Has sentimental value, but can also help me out if needed. Alright, so next part would be my top or only pocket of my shirt, and in there I do have my tactical pen. So of course it is a pen in there. There is a knife as well as the flashlight on this end. Okay. As well as in that top pocket there's usually a bandana or handkerchief or something of that nature. Alright, so we'll go down to the pockets, and in my top right pocket I've got my keys. On my keys here I do have a small carabiner slash multi-tool. Again, a little lanyard with some paracord on there. I have another little lanyard here attached to my Punisher pry bar that I got from Josh over at Tattooed and Tactical. All of these keys have purposes. They either lock my safes, my padlocks, my gun, my ammo case, things of that nature. As well, in that top right pocket I've got my Ravencrest Phantom assisted blade. And that's it in the top right. We'll move over to the top left. And there I usually carry my phone, which I'm currently using for filming at the time. I also carry my Texas Mini Heat. Sorry about that. I also carry the Texas Mini Heat kit from Ted Hilden, and the case, leather case here that's made by Po' Boy Gear. Go give a shout out to Jeff over at Po' Boy Gear if you're interested in leather work. Getting blown up today. Sorry about that, folks. Alright. And that's it for the top right pocket. Left pocket. And my top left pocket, back pocket, my back right pocket, good lord, is my wallet. Now I did used to have a multi-tool in there, but unfortunately when I went to the airport to get my daughter a couple of weeks ago, I forgot to take it out, and they did confiscate it. So unfortunately, I don't have that anymore. But I do have this little nifty thing. This will help to grind up tinder. It's much like a cheese grater basically, and you can go in a circle with it and you can grind up leaves and sticks and stuff like that to help get your fire going if you need to. Alright, so that was my back right pocket. In my back left pocket is good old Bic. Always gotta have the Bic. Alright, and last but not least, attached to my belt is the Raven Crest Titan OTF. Alright, Rick, well, I appreciate you tagging me in there, buddy. That is all that I'm carrying here today. I will tag 3 people, but I'm going to put it in the description box down below because I can't think of who to tag right this second, so it's going to take me just a minute. But I appreciate those who watched and took the time, and appreciate you, buddy. Rick, if y'all haven't checked him out, go check him out. Rick over at Tack Hill. I'll put his information in the description box down below as well. Alright, y'all, as always, I'm John with JVan84. Later.